So it looks like he jumped out of the car and left the vehicle running. The vehicle jumped the curb here. We'll see here in a second. And hit a tree. So obviously he didn't care too much about the car. Hey, go back the other way. Go around. Did you see him running? Did he get in the apartment, you think?
Oh man, I waited for the damn dog.
Yeah, that's how it goes. I understand.
Yeah.
Did he run around the building or through it? Did he actually hit the tree or no? He's inside, yeah.
Well, I didn't miss that. I didn't want to run. I didn't want to get bit by a dog. That's what I'm
But you can smell the marijuana, that's for sure.
Yeah, some weed in the middle.
Some cash, some alcohol.
You figure out what address this comes back to? Holly Hill. Oh, man.
Yeah.
It's a female's name? Yep. Great. You guys find your female deal?
I'm gonna try to pop it.
Maybe oh, look. There we go.
We're located issues in the rear of the building where you failed. We're trying to pick it back up from there. Joe. Just update. It's black male, all gray sweatshirt, gray sweatpants, no shoes. Possibly medium white hair.
So he ran out of his shoes and he could be in an apartment.
He ran out of shoes, like
right there.
Right behind here is a lake.
Yep.
So he was rapid lake to go south.
Yep. That would be nice, right? But they spin and they move. Who's with them?
All right, so they're continuing this search. Let's get in a break. On Patrol Live, coming right back.
Canines on the ground to track it right now. They're gonna try to see if they find this guy. He ran out of his shoes when he ran through the apartment complex. So it can't be too far, unless he's in an apartment by now, where he got in another car. So our hopes is he's still hiding on foot somewhere, and we'll apprehend him here momentarily.
There is a report of shots fired in Richland County, South Carolina. Master Deputy Rebecca Smith responded.
No, completely different area.
So, it is determined that the initial, what we thought was shots fired was one of our own original shots fired. It turned out to be fireworks. We had 2 callers report that. Now we're on the way to another shots fired with the notes stating that multiple shots, possible full semi-automatic weapon, and a bunch of people fleeing. So,
So this truck passed me, and this other car that turned left, it passed me 20 minutes ago. And look at it. I got back up to him. I don't know why everyone's always in a hurry. You're gonna see him at the next light.